Hi folks, and welcome to the Deep in the Dark affiliate program. The idea of this video is just to familiarise yourself with the portal and the back end, what to expect, how to share links, ultimately how to make money. So let's jump straight in. This is the dashboard that you'll be confronted with. Upon the left here we have a set of links, and we'll go through these straight away and talk through them one by one. So affiliate URLs, this is the main one that you need. This is where you can generate your referral links. For me, as I've logged in at this, I am reference 127. Now, if you put that at the end, that bit there, at the end of any link or any page on my website, that will, and someone goes there direct, that will leave there a cookie on it for you. You can do it through the page URL here. So if we go to the Scout info page, copy that, paste it here, you'll see down here it's given us that info page. Now if you take this, you can then paste that into a QR code builder, and that will get you a QR code, which is great for having on your lock screen of your phone, or for having an overlay on Instagram videos, and I'll show you how to do that in another video itself. Moving swiftly along, network. You can recruit other referrers or other affiliates to work for you without them even knowing. So if I recruited John through one of my links, and John clicked on one of my links, he went on to sign up to be an affiliate. If he makes a sale, you get a small percentage of that. It's not as large as the percentage you get for a direct sale, but if you had 10 or 15 of these people who might just be clients of yours, or they may also be instructors, then it makes it very worthwhile. Statistics. This does what it says on the tin. Very simple. Graphs. Again, graphs of your statistics. Referrals. This will be who you've referred, the amount that you've made, description, status, date. Very simple. Payout. Once you've started making referrals, this tells you what's been paid out, what hasn't been paid out. Visits. This shows you who's visited. So if you've shared your link and people have clicked on it, but they haven't purchased yet, this is where they'll come up here. Creatives. Creatives are pictures or banner adverts, and they have their own HTML codes down here. Now, for most of you sharing with QR codes and on Instagram or YouTube, you won't need those. Creatives are generally things like banner ads that I would produce if I had large magazines selling, which we don't at the moment. Direct links. This is another fantastic way for you guys to get paid. Now, if you've got your own website, say diver.com, say that's your own website, you just click it in here, add new domain. Now, all you have to do on diver.com is put on any links to my site, to deepinthedark.tech, and my site will automatically register those people coming through as your affiliates. It's as simple as that. The other way that you can promote yourself is through the brand ambassadors page, which I'm just building at the moment. Each person will have their own brand ambassador page, and up here you'll see it's deepinthedark.tech/Seb. Now that is also registered as an affiliate landing page. So should Seb give out this URL and someone goes straight to it, types it in, or he types it in on their phone so that they can go and see, again, that person will have a cookie placed on their computer, and should they buy, then that is logged to him. So very simply, that's how this system works. It's very easy to do. In the getting started, this is where I'll have videos. Hopefully these will be more about marketing and ways to make money or ideas. But essentially, you guys know what you're doing. You're in the market, but you're in social media already. You have a brand voice for yourself. The thing to do is just to be natural. Tell people why you love my products tell people why they should, about the features of the product, and then just give them a link to buy. I wouldn't be pushy. I wouldn't be overtly over the top about things. Just do it in the way that your brand is built already, and you'll start to be trusted and you'll make sales. So good luck with it all. Yeah. And that's how simple it is to navigate through the back-end software on the affiliate program. It's really not that hard. The main thing to do is just be yourself, just share some links, give people advice, and let them do their thing, essentially. If you need me for anything, I'm always here. Just drop me a line. Most of you will have my WhatsApp number or something like that, and I'm always online to help you. Should you need technical help as well, drop me a line, and I'm always here to help you for that too. But essentially, good luck, go out there, do your thing, make some sales and make some money. I wish you all the best.